Cook smarter, save time, and enjoy every meal. That's the real secret to a stress-free kitchen. In this video, we're bringing you the smartest Amazon kitchen gadgets that cut down the mess, speed up your routine, and make everyday cooking effortless. From clever organizers to next-level high-tech tools, these must-haves will completely transform the way you use your kitchen. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on Gadget Nest for more smart home tools and honest reviews. All product links and the latest Amazon deals are waiting for you in the description. Now, let's jump right in. Number 1. Philips Series 3300 Espresso Machine. The Philips Series 3300 makes coffee shop favorites simple at home with 6 hot and iced drink options. Its Latte Go milk system creates smooth, creamy froth in seconds, and the ceramic grinder ensures fresh flavor with every cup. Thanks to Silent Brew technology, it runs 40% quieter than standard machines, making mornings more peaceful. The AquaClean filter keeps water pure and reduces cleaning time. Its glossy black finish adds a modern touch that blends into any kitchen. Buttons are intuitive, so choosing espresso, cappuccino, or latte is fast and effortless. The compact design still feels powerful, giving you consistent quality coffee without the hassle. If you're looking for convenience, flavor, and easy maintenance in one sleek package, this machine is a standout choice for daily coffee lovers. Number 2. GE Profile Smart Stand Mixer. The GE Profile Smart Stand Mixer delivers power, precision, and smart features in one appliance. Its large 7-quart stainless steel bowl is perfect for mixing big batches, from bread dough to cake batter. With a built-in smart scale, you can measure ingredients directly in the bowl, saving time and cleanup. AutoSense technology detects resistance and adjusts speed automatically for consistent results. It offers 11 speeds to handle anything from whipping cream to kneading heavy dough. Compatible with Alexa and Google Home, it allows hands-free operation in the kitchen. The stone white design looks clean and modern, while the included dough hook, beater, and 11-wire whip give versatility for all recipes. Reliable, durable, and intuitive, this stand mixer makes baking more efficient and enjoyable whether you're an experienced baker or just starting out. Number 3. Revolution R180S Smart Toaster. The Revolution R180S Smart Toaster transforms breakfast with Instaglow technology that heats bread faster and more evenly than traditional toasters. Its sleek touchscreen makes it easy to select settings for bread, bagels, waffles, or even paninis. The 2-slice design is compact, saving counter space, but still powerful enough for quick, reliable results. Panini mode adds versatility, allowing you to prepare warm sandwiches and snacks in minutes. The clear digital interface ensures you get the perfect browning every time. With stainless steel housing, it's both durable and stylish for modern kitchens. Crumbs don't stick, making cleanup quick and hassle-free. Ideal for busy mornings, this toaster delivers crispy, golden results without burning. If you want speed, precision, and convenience in one small appliance, the Revolution R180S is a smart addition to your kitchen. Number 4. Typhor Dome 2 Air Fryer. The Typhor Dome 2 Air Fryer makes healthier meals simple, with its extra-large capacity, fitting up to 32 chicken wings at once. Superior airflow ensures food cooks evenly and faster, giving you crispy results without the need for much oil. Its smart digital controls make adjusting time and temperature precise and easy. The PFAS-free basket is safer and healthier for daily use, while the self-cleaning feature minimizes effort after cooking. Sleek and efficient, it's built for families or anyone who wants large portions without long wait times. Meals come out deliciously crunchy yet light, making it a great alternative to frying. Whether it's snacks, meats, or full dinners, this fryer handles it all while saving time and energy. If you want a powerful and easy-to-clean air fryer for everyday use, this model is an excellent pick. Number 5. ThermoWorks RFX Meat Thermometer. The ThermoWorks RFX Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer ensures your grilling and roasting are perfectly cooked every time. With 6 probes, you can monitor multiple meats simultaneously, whether you're using a smoker, barbecue, grill, or oven. Unlike standard Bluetooth thermometers, this one uses Wi-Fi and radio frequency for a stronger, more reliable signal, letting you move freely without losing connection. Readings are precise, giving you confidence that your food is safe and flavorful. The setup is straightforward, and the display is easy to read, even for beginners. It's perfect for outdoor cooks who value accuracy and convenience. From slow-smoked ribs to holiday roasts, the ThermoWorks RFX delivers consistency with every meal. If you want pro-level monitoring without babysitting your grill, this thermometer is a must-have tool for every serious home chef. Number 6. Cuckoo Twin Pressure Rice Cooker. The Cuckoo CRP-ST0609FG rice cooker combines technology and convenience to make perfect rice and more. With twin pressure cooking, rice comes out fluffy, tender, and evenly cooked every time. It prepares up to 12 cups, making it great for families. The non-stick inner pot prevents sticking and cleans up easily after use. Offering 16 menu options, it can handle not just rice, but stews, porridge, and other dishes. Voice guidance makes operations simple, while the auto-clean function keeps the cooker hygienic without extra work. Its sleek gray design looks modern and fits nicely in any kitchen. Compact yet powerful, this cooker saves time while delivering consistent results. For anyone who eats rice daily or enjoys versatile cooking options, this Cuckoo model is a reliable and user-friendly choice. Number 7. Space Neovide Sous Vide Cooker. The Space Neovide NSV100 reimagines sous vide cooking with its bagless, waterless design, making meal prep simpler and cleaner. Using a built-in probe, it maintains precise temperature control for perfectly cooked food every time. Unlike traditional sous vide machines, it preserves the food's natural flavor, texture, and shape without needing vacuum-sealed bags or water baths. Easy to operate, it's ideal for home cooks who want consistent restaurant-quality results without extra hassle. The compact design saves counter space while offering powerful performance. Meals stay juicy and flavorful whether you're preparing meat, fish, or vegetables. Cleanup is quick thanks to the streamlined design. This device is perfect for anyone who loves healthy cooking with minimal mess. If you want convenience and flavor in one, the Space Neovide is a great choice. Number 8. Black & Decker 24-inch built-in dishwasher. This Black & Decker built-in dishwasher combines style and performance with a sleek stainless steel finish. It fits seamlessly into your kitchen and can hold up to 12 place settings, making it perfect for family meals or gatherings. With 5 different wash programs and a smart wash cycle, it ensures that every dish gets thoroughly cleaned without wasting water or energy. The stainless steel tub resists stains and stays fresh after daily use. Plus, the quiet operation means you can run it anytime without disturbing your home environment. Energy Star certification makes it an eco-friendly option, helping you save on electricity and water bills. Built for everyday convenience, this dishwasher takes the hassle out of cleanup, leaving your kitchen calm and spotless. Number 9. A Hope Garden Indoor Garden Hydroponics Growing System Kit. The Hope Garden Indoor Hydroponics Growing System brings gardening indoors with ease. Featuring 60 pods in a vertical design, it's perfect for growing fresh vegetables, herbs, and flowers year-round without soil. Equipped with a powerful LED grow light, plants get the right amount of light for fast and healthy growth. The built-in smart pump system ensures a steady flow of water and nutrients, keeping your plants thriving with minimal effort. Its compact vertical design saves space, making it ideal for apartments or homes with limited sunlight. Easy to use for both beginners and experienced gardeners, this system creates a clean and efficient way to enjoy homegrown food. With its sleek design, it fits beautifully in any room, bringing freshness and greenery right into your living space. Number 10. Zojirushi NSTSC10 5.5 cup Mycom rice cooker and warmer. Cooking perfect rice has never been easier with the Zojirushi Mycom rice cooker. Designed with advanced microcomputer technology, it adjusts cooking time and temperature for evenly cooked, fluffy rice every time. This 1-liter cooker can prepare up to 5.5 cups of uncooked rice, making it perfect for small families or singles. The compact design fits comfortably on any kitchen counter without taking up too much space. Multiple cooking settings let you choose different styles of rice, while the automatic keep warm function keeps it fresh and ready to serve for hours. Cleanup is simple thanks to the non-stick inner pan. Quiet operation ensures a peaceful cooking experience. Durable and reliable, this rice cooker is a must-have for those who enjoy delicious homemade rice at the touch of a button. Number 11. Zadalar Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Add convenience and style to your kitchen with the Zadalar Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Made with a sleek stainless steel design, these grinders are rechargeable with a dual USB-C charging base, so no need for disposable batteries. Adjustable coarseness lets you choose between fine and coarse seasoning, perfect for all types of recipes. The built-in LED light ensures precision even in low lighting while cooking. With a large capacity, you won't need to refill frequently, saving you time in the kitchen. Quiet and easy to operate, these grinders are great for everyday use and also make a thoughtful gift for moms or home cooks. Functional, modern, and durable, they're the perfect blend of practicality and style, elevating your cooking experience. Number 12. Next Mug Temperature-Controlled Self-Heating Coffee Mug. Keep your coffee or tea at the perfect temperature with the Next Mug Self-Heating Coffee Mug. Designed with smart temperature control, this sleek 14-ounce black mug keeps drinks hot for hours without the need for constant reheating. Easy-to-use controls allow you to set your ideal warmth quickly. Its compact size fits comfortably in your hand and even in most car cup holders, making it perfect for home, office, or travel use. The rechargeable battery lasts long enough to keep your beverage warm throughout your day. Not only is it convenient, but it also reduces waste by eliminating the need for disposable cups. Stylish, practical, and reliable, this mug ensures that every sip of your drink is as enjoyable as the first. No more cold coffee bricks. Thanks for watching today's top picks from Gadget Nest. If you love discovering cool kitchen gadgets that make life easier, make sure to subscribe and stay updated. All product links and the latest prices are in the description below. Don't miss out. Got a question or want to see a specific gadget reviewed? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay smart, stay inspired, and keep cooking with confidence.